JSpiders is one of the best training and placement center. JSpiders is the best platform to learn and improve our technical communication and presentation skills. Thanks to all the faculty and special thanks to Rohan sir, Sushma ma'am and Srikant sir. And coming to trainers and HRs, all faculty are good and solves the doubts well. HRs are very friendly and always helping in requirement process. Thank you to trainers and HRs, and special thanks to Rohan sir, Sushma ma'am, Srikant sir and HRs, Punit sir and Nashital ma'am.